Welcome to the Peak Impact Mentorship. Today I have one more perspective to share to you, which can help you grow and implement changes in your organization, in your career. What is that? Something which is very, very important. Commit to a personal development plan. This is something which very few people are aware of. What do you mean by aware of? Very simple. Most people after their college rarely read any development book other than their career. 80% people may not even invest time in reading their career books. And those 20% people who are reading books by any means, out of which 80% are reading only their professional related books, not at all related to their personal growth. Now first, what do I mean by personal growth and professional growth? Personal growth means there has to be a growth roadmap. I mean, let's say you are a Java engineer, you might be a .NET engineer. That is one part of your life. But what about a relationship? What about your long-term career plans? What about your people skill? What about your leadership skill? Do you think they'll come automatically? Trust me, I had been to best of the colleges in India. I had been to IITs. I have met with many of IIM students and I found these things no college teach because they are assuming that these things can come automatically. Biggest assumption. It will never come true. Reason being, growth is not automatic, it is uphill. And anything which is uphill, we have to be intentional to grow. I remember vividly when I started getting coaching from Maxwell, the first question he asked me was, Vijay, do you have any personal growth roadmap? It was not John Maxwell who asked me directly, the person through whom I went to Maxwell. That guy first asked me, Vijay, do you have a personal growth roadmap? I just gave him some excuse that, I'm so busy in my job, I go to office in the morning, I come in the night, and then I have family and all this. I just for almost 10 minutes I was trying to hide, trying to give excuses. And then finally I realized it is futile to just give excuses. I said, I am not having any growth roadmap. And he said, welcome home. At least you're aware now, let's make it. I can also give you a growth roadmap. If you have never had any, I can offer you one course, 15 Laws of Growth. It's an amazing course which I have done in January, in which I have covered 15 different aspects of growth inspired by 15 Laws of Growth of John Maxwell, in which I have added so much of nugget of personal experience which can definitely help you out. You can go ahead and buy that course. It costs you just 1,000 rupees. It has 15 hours worth of material with 15 worksheets. Go through them and use it for your personal growth. Second growth roadmap I can give you is on leadership, because you need to grow in your leadership. Third, which I can give you, is on handling failure. I did a course which is again 7.5 hour course in which I have covered more than 10 different aspects of failure which you need to understand if you have to become successful in your career, in your life, in your business, whatever you do. Fourth aspect which I can give you is relationship, because if you are not good in relationship, what will I do with all the money in the world if I'm struggling to have good relationship with my wife, with my children? Trust on me, it is no good at all. That is what I mean by personal growth roadmap. So if you do not have a personal growth roadmap, I will encourage you to set up your personal growth roadmap that will help you to grow in your professional career, in your personal life, and will help you to become overall a satisfied person, because end of the day, you have to align this wheel of life. If you don't align this wheel of life at the age of 70, when one day we'll be at the deathbed, we will have a regret. So see this wheel of life carefully and try to align it for your life. It was great talking to you. And if you resonated with my thought, drop your comments and let me know what is your experience with what I covered right now. Looking forward to meet you in one of my live workshops. If you have not attended any of my live workshops yet, I conduct every Saturday a workshop on different aspects of growth which can help you in your life, in your career. So be part of it. How do you nominate for that? Very simple. Contact one of our Peak Impact Mentorship coaches, and if you do not know any other coach or volunteer, drop your comment. I will make sure that you get a pass to attend that event.